Looking to place an image within text in Photoshop? Start off by typing your word of choice, preferably in a nice large font. Once your text is in place, bring in an image, like this one from Adobe Stock, and make sure it covers the entire word. Next, in your Layers panel, right-click on the image and create a clipping mask to confine it to the text. Once confined, you can move the image around and it will remain clipped. Oh, one more thing. This technique also works for videos. Drag in your refreshing clip of choice, make sure it's above the type layer, and clip it, which you can also do by placing your cursor in between the two layers, holding down Alt-Option and clicking. Open your timeline, create a video timeline, press play, and enjoy. Responsibly, of course. And in just about 1 minute, you've placed an image and video within your text in Photoshop. If you'd like a more in-depth look at this technique, check out this video from Aaron Nace. And if you'd like to kickstart your Photoshop training, head over to lynda.com/Howard for a 10-day completely free trial, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care.